class 11.
My name is Ritika. I'm from Kanipura. I study at DPS.
I'm Adiba Tak and I'm from Shopian.
मेरा नाम आतिश शफात है, मैं निशात से हूँ।
उषा नज़ीर,
यार अल्ताफ,
Like Ejaz Pandit.
I want to travel the world and experience all the different cultures.
My aim in life is to be an architect.
I want to try and do everything that I can to better my society.
Aeronautical engineer.
मेरी एम है ज़िंदगी में कुछ हासिल करना, कुछ भी किसी भी फील्ड में हो सकता है, ताकि मैं आगे जाके कुछ अपना एक अलग स्ट्रक्चर बनाऊं अपनी सोसाइटी में।
I want to become a cardiologist.
I am pretty much in this right now.
First achievement, like a good achievement, would be topping the RISE Talent Search examination in my 10th standard.
I represented my state in a national skiing competition.
I represented my school at an inter-school badminton championship.
In grade 3, I got first position in debate competition and I was competing with the students from class 10th, 9th. That was an achievement.
I was the Kashmir's best drummer.
मेरी फर्स्ट अचीवमेंट ऐसे एक स्पेसिफिक कोई चीज़ नहीं थी, बस मैं हर वो चीज़ जो मैं करती हूँ दिन ब दिन मैं उसको अपनी अचीवमेंट मानती हूँ, चाहे वो कोई किताब पढ़ना हो। किताब पढ़ना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, मैं हर एक किताब जो मैं पढ़ी उसको मैं एक अचीवमेंट मानती हूँ खुद के लिए।
My favorite game is chess. I love chess. So in 7th grade, I was selected for the national competition. So that is my first and the small achievement.
My role model is Elon Musk.
My role model is Angela Merkel. She's the Chancellor of Germany.
I think Sir Einstein.
He's an Islamic scholar, Numan Ali Khan, and he's amazing.
Muhammad Ali.
My mama.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
I want to change everything that I can about myself and to be a better version of myself.
What I would like to change about my life is I want to
Become more focused and strong-willed.
be more adventurous.
About my life,
I want to stronger my willpower.
I want to grow up in a very competitive environment. Currently, I'm in an environment that does not, give us so many opportunities. I want to change that. I want to be in an environment that gives me so much opportunity that I'll raise to my best potential.